Imagine if you could build the biggest, strongest dam in the entire forest without ever having to lift a heavy log all at once. What if the secret to getting rich wasn't about timing the perfect sunny day, but about what you do when it's raining, snowing, or even during a forest fire? Hey everyone, welcome back to the pond. I'm Beaver, and today we're talking about a superpower that every forest creature and every Canadian investor needs to know. It's called dollar cost averaging. Now, I know that sounds like a fancy owl word, but it's actually the simplest way to grow your forest. You see, Rabbit over there is waiting for the perfect time to plant his seeds. He's staring at the sky, waiting for the wind to be just right. But while he's waiting, my friend Squirrel and I are already building wealth. Today, I'm going to show you why being consistent beats being lucky every single time. In our forest, the price of logs, our assets, changes all the time. Some days a log costs 5 acorns. Other days, because of a big storm, a log might only cost 2 acorns. Rabbit, hopping in, looking stressed. Beaver, I have 100 acorns saved up, but Fox told me a storm is coming and the price of logs will drop. Should I wait or should I buy now? What if I buy today and tomorrow the price crashes? I'm paralyzed, Beaver. Calm down, Rabbit. You're trying to time the forest. Even Owl, with all his wisdom, can't predict exactly when a tree will fall. When you try to buy everything at once, you're taking a huge risk. If you spend all 100 acorns today and the price drops tomorrow, you'll feel like your dam is sinking. Owl, swooping down, who is seeking wisdom? Beaver is right, Rabbit. Instead of trying to be a psychic, you should be a machine. You should use dollar cost averaging. Here's how it works. Instead of Rabbit throwing all 100 acorns into logs today, he decides to spend 10 acorns every Monday, no matter what. Week 1, the sun is shining. Logs cost 5 acorns each. Rabbit's 10 acorns buy him 2 logs. Week 2, a forest storm hits. Everyone is scared. Logs are now cheap, only 2 acorns each. Rabbit, whining, "Oh no, my logs from last week are worth less." Beaver, "Wait, Rabbit, look at your 10 acorns for this week. Because the price is lower, your 10 acorns now buy you 5 logs." Owl, "Precisely. When the forest is on sale, your fixed amount of acorns buys you more logs. When the forest is expensive, you buy fewer logs. Over time, you end up with a lower average cost per log than if you tried to guess the market." Let's look at Bear. Bear thinks he's a genius trader. He waits and waits for the bottom of the storm, but he misses it. By the time he decides to buy, the sun is out and logs cost 7 acorns. He missed the sale. Squirrel pops out of a hole. "I don't care about the weather. I just put away 3 nuts every single day. I don't even look at the sky." Beaver, Squirrel is the master of DCA. By investing a set amount at regular intervals, like every paycheck in your TFSA or RRSP, you stop worrying about whether the market is up or down. You're just building your dam log by log. But wait, does this actually make you more money than just buying everything at the start? And what happens if the forest enters a long winter where prices keep dropping for months? I'll show you the math and the lazy beaver secret right after this. Let's look at the numbers. If you bought 10 logs at 5 acorns each, you spent 50 acorns. If the price drops to 2 acorns and you buy 10 more, you've now spent 70 acorns for 20 logs. Your average cost is now 3.5 acorns per log. Beaver. This is why dollar cost averaging is a beginner's best friend. It removes emotion. You don't get scared during storms, you get excited because logs are on sale. It creates a habit. Just like Squirrel storing nuts, it becomes automatic. No market timing stress. You don't need to watch the news or listen to Fox's hot tips. Moose walking by slowly. "I've been doing this for 40 years. Every time I get paid, I buy a piece of the whole forest, an index fund, rain or shine. Now my forest is huge." So how do you start? Step 1. Pick an amount you can afford every month, even if it's just 20 acorns. Step 2, set up an automatic transfer in your banking app. This is the lazy beaver secret. If you don't see the money, you won't spend it on fancy lily pads. Step 3, forget about it. Let the forest grow. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't be like Rabbit waiting for the perfect clouds. Be like Squirrel. Be consistent. If you want to learn which trees are best to plant in your Canadian forest, check out our video on TFSAs versus RRSPs. Beaver, smiling, build your dam, grow your forest. Subscribe to Beaver Invests for more simple money stories. See you at the pond.